Inflammation is at the root of fatigue, weight gain, gut issues, joint pain, and even poor sleep. And nighttime is the perfect moment to calm it when your body enters repair mode. Here are 5 powerful night drinks that help reduce inflammation and support deep, restorative sleep. Keycap 1 Turmeric Golden Milk. Turmeric's curcumin is one of the strongest natural anti-inflammatories. Warm milk, or plant milk, plus turmeric plus black pepper equals a calming, soothing drink for your joints, gut, and nervous system. Perfect 1 hour before sleep. Keycap 2 Ginger plus lemon night tea. Ginger reduces inflammation, supports digestion, and relieves tension. Lemon adds vitamin C and antioxidants. This drink helps your body detox and supports immunity while you sleep. Keycap 3 Chamomile tea. Calming, anti-inflammatory, and excellent for your nervous system. Chamomile reduces stress hormones, eases muscle tension, and improves sleep quality, which directly lowers inflammation. Keycap 4 Tart cherry juice, diluted, one of the best natural sources of melatonin and antioxidants. Helps reduce muscle soreness, joint pain, and inflammatory markers. Drink 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Keycap 5 Warm water plus honey plus cinnamon. Honey has antimicrobial properties and soothes the throat. Cinnamon improves blood sugar balance, key for lowering inflammation. A gentle, warming drink that relaxes your whole system. Bullseye final message: reducing inflammation is not complicated, it starts with small, consistent habits. These night drinks help your body rest, repair, and wake up with more energy and less pain. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips, and follow at Behealfit_com for daily guidance.